So we are gonna recreate this look here. Now let's get started. I'm using this gray shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Matte on the lid. Now I'm using this one, the Rare Beauty Kajal. This is a burgundy maroon color kajal. So here I'm just applying it on the upper lid and the lower lid. Same I would do with this eye. First let me complete this eye. Now we will smudge it with this flat brush. I'm using the flat brush so I can smudge the edges precisely. This much is okay. Now we will use this and this dark brown and just put where we smudged it. Same, I will use this to just set the cream. So here you can see. Now we'll use this brown, the darker one mixed with the lighter one, and just blend the edges. Yeah, that's good. We will do the same here. Now I will use a kajal and evenly coat. Look, okay? Now you can see I have just applied the kajal. Now I will make a wing, little one, just like that. Again, we will take the flat angle brush and just smudge it out in the upwards direction. See, so this is the difference. Now I will do this eye and come back. Okay. It's this easy. So now we will curl the lashes and just apply mascara. Now there is just a step and I will show you. We will take a pen liner and just make sure it's outwards. And the inwards, we will just merge it with this line. Make it as thick as you want. Now we will do same with this, and we are done. This is the eye look. Bye.